Silvino. Gabay Villanueva. Silvino, itong dahil po ang isa. Opinas, 1-0 tayo. Boy Dalungi. Silvino ang dalawa. Good. Intercepted by Kaya. 1-0 tayo sa sunod. 1-0. Daya pass to Silvino, regard by Villanueva. Silvino, atake sa basket. 2 points, 1 point. 2-0 tayo, 2-0. Silvino. Ball pass to Daya, off the glass, no good. Pwede yun. 2-0, Silvino. Nadala po, Silvino to the baseline. Drop pass, intercepted by Villanueva. Villanueva ang dalawa. Villanueva, for reverse rest. 2-1 tayo, 2-1. Villanueva, ball jumper, on the board by Silvino. Labas ng bola. Silvino to the baseline. And 1. Bonus shot. Ball number 16. Kalagi. Bonus free throw awarded to number 17. Silvino. 3-1 tayo. 3-1. Basket. 4-1 tayo. 4-1. Silvino, ball pass to Indaya, to the baseline, no good. Ilabas ang bola to Silvino. Silvino for locking. 4-1 tayo, 4-1. Silvino for the rebound. Labas ang bola lang. Silvino, regard by Villanueva. Silvino on the run. Silvino attacking to the basket. And 1. Basket. Foul on number 16. Shot. 5-1 tayo. 5-1. 6-1. Dalungi. Silvino. Using the left hand. Habol ng Bemba. Villanueva off the glass. Bola yan, Dalungi. Hindi naman, hindi shoot yun. Bola Bemba. 6-1. Villanueva 6-2. Bola na Bemba. Lagi ikaw Villanueva kung Villanueva bola yung Dalungi. Bola mo labas mo na 6-2. Bayang pangkol. 6-3. 1 point by Kalagi. Keep out to Villanueva. Villanueva dribbling the ball. Villanueva, ball jumper, good. Dalawang the basketball. 6-3 tayo, 6-3. 3-point lead by Dalungi. Silvino. Pero may tatawanan ng foul by Silvino. 6-3. Basket tayo. Pushing foul. Time out muna, time out. Time out. Kaya ba? 8-3. Silvino on the way to the basket. 9-3. 9-3 tayo. Silvino dribbling the ball. Regard by Villanova. Silvino on the ladder. Silvino inside. Tapay Karate. Pick up the number 12. Villanova. Villanova to the baseline. Taloke basketball. 9-3 tayo. 9-3. Silvino. Ball pass. Counter steal by Hindaya. Team out to Silvino. Number 17. Silvino. Off the glass by Silvino. 10-3. Love na tayo. 7-point lead by Taloke. Silvino dribbling the ball. Ball pass to Hindaya. Hindaya pull-up jumper. Nothing but Ashley, Taloke basketball. Silvino for the win. Bayang back the basketball. Ayun second team natin. Madrid na kayo, second team. Maligo na kayo, top rush. Villanova on the way to the basket. Off the glass, last 4. Labas ang ball. Number 16. Karani. Zigzagging for Elisa. Last 5. Humahabol ang Villanova. Isang 5-point to 6-point lead. Villanova, regard by Silvino. Villanova, isang foul. Sabi ng referee, yung pinagawa mong referee. Foul by first team, foul penalty ng Blackback. Last 5. Villanova, kick out to Karani. Karani yung Lugod. Number 17, Silvino. Silvino, nice pass, straight down. Overshoot. Bayang back the basketball. Stolen by number 17. Silvino dribbling the ball. Kami tatawagan ng foul. Penalty tayo. For the win. Okay, players, players, coaches, second team, get ready.